children of God. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
I am Ife.
I am Ibukun, and together we are the Show Sisters. Woo! Welcome back, children of God. Thank you so much for stopping by again.
Thank you.
As you can see from the title down below, in the Yabaraka's voice, today is going to be what? Because over here, you know what we do. We are here to help your life. Okay? We're here to help your life. You didn't ask for it, but we will give it to you, Glasgow. In all seriousness though, it's just going to be a hard-lighted video. You know, we're just here to just, come and just share what we really like or we don't like. Together as the Show Sisters. We came together, we put our thoughts together. We said, no. She says, that's what she said. She says, what do we like? What can we come and share with our people? And we've thought about it together, and we're here to just share with you, all for kicks and giggles, no seriousness in it. If you take it personal, that's your life. So if you don't take it personal, that's a good job. And if it's something that you do, why you do that? Why do you do? Stop it. Don't do that, okay? Don't change your ways. Change your ways. Alright, so we're just gonna jump right into it with our first pet peeve.
Yeah. Washing oily bowls. Please.
Can you elaborate?
I am coming.
Alright.
Please. When you know that ofada, that oil, as I am say, like a goosey, like all those like oily oily oil,
very
like
rice, jollof rice,
anything with
oil. Okay.
Fish eating.
Yeah.
You wash your bowl.
Yeah.
You put it away.
Yeah.
The next time when you use your bowl.
Yeah.
Oil.
It's
Why?
decorated around.
Why? And you wash the bowl. Is it that we forgot to wash the corners? See, that's why there's soap and sponge. You will make sure as you wash, you will not be putting your hand in the corner. Is there still oil? If you have not done that, you have not washed your bowl. Because there should not be oil in a plate or bowl.
In a clean bowl.
Now I have to wash it when I get
Again.
That's too much work now. Please.
Stop it. Stop it.
I'm not shaming.
Don't do that. Like, no, honestly,
It's a lot.
Omani, your liar. Liar.
You need to have pepper to eat.
Yes.
Tomorrow you're liar. But no, it's a lot. It's a lot.
When I see that, when I see it in my house.
Or especially like when you even wash it finish.
Sometimes
there's no water and then still you not. God, that's why sometimes I don't like people doing dishes in my house.
Yeah.
I will not mention their names.
Exactly. You don't mention their names, but in my household, I didn't like when if there is a food that we just chop and it's boiled, honey, leave it. Honey, leave it. I'll do it myself. Don't touch it. Be like that.
I don't really like to wash food, but in this regard.
In the words of my husband, is Yoruba, I said, feel like that.
Oh my goodness. But yeah, we just wanted to say that one. That's the number one.
Please wash the oily bowls well. Wash it, and when you're done, rinse it. If you still use your finger to touch, if you wash it again, and you just wash it 3 times, you wash it. So you don't make life hard for us. Okay, then I'm packing food in the bowls. 10 for 10. Best peeve number 2. You are going to the fridge or the pot. There are 2. Why are you laughing? Let me talk. There are 2 dishes of different food. Let's say rice and stew. In fact, 3: rice, stew, and chicken. Because I separate my stew and my chicken in different bowls. 3 dishes down there. Okay, you serve the rice. Right. Alright. There is still rice particles on your spoon. And you don't rinse it. Or you don't get another spoon to dish your stew. You now use that same rice spoon to dish your stew. The rice will now swim inside the stew. Okay, as far as that's not enough. Let's say, wait, no, this rice that I packed, I don't think it's enough. You now use the same spoon that you used to dish your stew and say you want to go back. So I'm not saying that this is what they do in my house. No. I've just noticed some things that in some places. No, I'm serious in this one. No, my husband don't do that. He don't do that.
You don't do that. You don't know what
you do know what you do. Sometimes shy. So you then go and get another rice. So stew is now in my rice. If I wanted jollof rice, I would have made jollof.
Oh, that's good.
You will not say, okay, you have gotten enough rice that you want. You have to use that same spoon. The rice particles. You now go and get the meat. So everybody is now swimming into rice stew inside the whole. Why? Because I want to use that stew maybe for another thing, for swallow.
Yeah, you don't see rice in your swallow.
Can you imagine? Oh my god. No, wow.
Can you imagine? Hey, wow.
Like, no, for real. Don't do that.
No.
Don't do that.
No.
It's unacceptable.
At all.
I didn't like it.
No.
So, that is it.
So, pet peeve number 3. You come back from work, school, church, market, anywhere you have gone out. You see your clothes is dirty.
Yeah.
You take it off.
Yeah.
You put it on the floor. Please, who is supposed to help you pick it? That's why God, the hand when you use take them off. When you know if you use them, put it aside when you back. No, it's why. So now we will now be coming and be picking tutum. Socks is coming. Shirt is here. No. And I'm not saying this is what they do in my house. I live with some people. I lived. I was still living. Yeah. I don't know why you rolled up dirty socks on the floor.
Why are you cascating my brother?
I didn't mention this. I don't know what she's talking about. No. I don't like it. Or I now ask you, is that the clothes you want to wear again? It might not be that dirty. You now tell me yes. And it's littered everywhere.
And it's on the floor.
Why you not strip? Wait, I want to know even if you're stripping.
Bro. That is so funny.
After yourself. I beg you.
Yeah.
It's just something I didn't like.
Yeah.
Because you're creating work that you could have just rolled it up and put it in. We will still sort the laundry. Nobody there will not sort it.
We will.
So you can dump it in there.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah. Don't if it's dirty clothes that you want to sort out, we'll sort it out and put it on the floor. It's okay.
And when you wash and put it in the right place.
It's not dirty clothes and you want to wear it again. Why is it on the floor?
And he said, but you don't want the back in.
Oh, that is nasty.
I roll my eyes. But yeah, I just say that to just take that. Don't do that. Thank you.
Pet peeve number 4. I'm already laughing because this one is not okay. It's not okay at all.
No.
Okay, I serve you food in a tray. You come to my house, you're a guest, you're a household member, whatever it may be, and I serve you food in a tray. You eat your food, okay, you know when you're eating in a tray, there's no how, food will still come out of it, especially rice.
You cannot be that pretty.
Yes. No way, you can't do it. It's rice, even it's foul. You exactly on it. And then let's not say that I give you chicken with it or I give you fish to chop with it. You know that kind of let me tell you I can cook. So let me just explain. The one where the juice has entered the bowl and you crack it and you suck it. That's not enough. You now have to chew it like dog. Because I do that. Okay? You have to chew the bone and eat everything. Fish though, chicken though, goat meat though, turkey. I like my turkey soft so my bone will get soft. Anyways, you do all of that, you eat your particles, you know, your remnants, your remnants are on the tray. No, it's okay for remnants to be on the tray.
That's true. Because I'm already jumping ahead of
Yes, exactly. Why are you returning it back like that in the tray cabinet? That's horrible. Why dump? No, leave it in the trash. Dump it. But there's nothing to wash. Don't use paper towel.
No. Even you're going to wet the paper towels, wet it.
Yes, you wet it, yes. But don't do that. Use soap and water and sponge. Wash it.
I'm telling you, wash that.
Wash it. It's not hard to wash it. Please wash.
I think it's the most easiest.
Exactly.
Because it doesn't really have all those like glued out.
Yes. Just wash your tray. That's all.
Pet peeve number 5. Yeah. This one I'm very particular about. Finish warming your food. Microwave with a microwave cover.
Yeah.
There's stew. We like stew in this house. So there's stew, rice. You know when you open it's hot and steamy. Me, I like my food hot. I'm very steamy.
The ones that like to eat their food.
Yeah. Because you're not eating cold food. It's not that.
It's not have to be cold, but when it's you must have to be dancing.
Yeah. That's why you go let enjoy the food. So any foods, okay? You wash. You finish warming your food. You now have all of those. After you have warmed the stew, the rice, everything are blue in the microwave cover. Open it. Take your food. On that day, food have come. Now take that microwave cover. Now put it back in the microwave and shut the microwave. So me, I'm now come. I'm not saying I want to come and warm my food. I don't want to eat rice. I want to eat moi. Okay, let's efo or egusi with poundo. I will now take that microwave cover and swallow my food. Why you do that? Why do you do that? What happened to you? I'm not saying you should even wash it. Because let's say we're all lining up to warm food. Just rinse off what you or wipe it away. I beg you. It's not that hard. I beg you.
Yeah.
Wash your microwave cover. Because by the time the food will now go past it,
because restricted microwave. Like the food has been burning.
I don't like that in microwave cover.
Oh my
goodness. One more. Your food spill on the microwave cover, rolling around
inside the microwave. It's just annoying.
Yeah. Inside the microwave, that thing likes to roll like you'll be waiting for the roll, you'll be rolling the turning table. The turning table in the microwave. I don't know if it's called that. Well, I shall know that it is. Let's say your food spilling there.
Yeah. Yes. Wipe it, please. He's saying that because
I don't like dirty microwave. Because that's where food enter and come out.
That's true.
It's like what cooking food in a dirty pot.
Stop saying it.
It's a bad thought
to have.
That's what I have to say.
Yeah.
Wash your microwave cover and your microwave when you store your food. Thank you.
Pet peeve number 6. It looks like everything we're talking about is regarding housing, cleaning, kitchen, whatever. I mean, we're women, so it's something that we notice. We're domesticated women in our household. What's the glory of God? Yes, we do work, so we know. This one is annoying to me. I serve you food again, okay? I serve you food, and you finish eating. Let me help you take your tray. You say no. Okay, I'm expecting you to do the needful. If you say no, I'm expecting you to do the needful. You will now put your whole, with the remnants, whatever you have, the bone, every bone. Let's say that one is even fine. I can handle the crushed bone part. Even though it's very disgusting. See, the one that paid me past is the one with bread.
Wet
You,
bread.
you will not put everything inside the sink. You will now run tap and now off tap. The bread is there.
Oh, mama.
Swell. And soggy. Who should clean that up? Just because I am the woman of the house and I am domesticated, no means I domesticated reach that. Please.
I can change it for you, man.
I want to change
To
that.
become wild.
Please, I beg in the name of God, if you do this. No. I beg you. Don't do it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Put your food in the remnant in the trash. Trash it up. Trash it.
Good manners.
Yes. You get the gist, please.
Yeah.
Ah. That's all. Pet peeve number 7. Yeah. So the era is changing, the time is changing, okay? The seasons have changed. Here in the America, we're in fall right now. I think we're in fall, right? Yeah, we're in fall. So, yeah, seasons have changed. It doesn't have anything to do with weather. But why is this in your vision? Why is this in your vision? Why are we still doing this in our vision?
You take picture, you say, peace. And now it's not even one and now it's 2.
Bro, like, okay, I get the young and upcoming kids, okay? They wanna be cool. Old men, uncles with belly. It's okay to have belly, but you have a belly. Like, well, I see.
She doesn't like this.
Well, I see inside in your vision. Don't do it. See, we know that you have peace in your life. Jesus is your peace. Shalom, shalom. But stop it. And I want to let you know, if you ever see us, the show sisters, do this sign. Job and basket is okay, we can do it, okay? We are cool peeps. But you people stop it. Stop it, it's not good. But in all seriousness, no, this time, peace. Just let the peace come from within. Just let it stay inside. Yes, exactly. Let it stay inside. Okay, put the hands down and just pose. Okay, I'm done. That's it. Okay.
Pet peeve number 8. Okay. You people think, anyways. You just a cough, you cough, kata. You know wear face mask. You are coughing and sneezing. In this era, people think COVID have go. Let me tell you. Sorry to burst that bubble. Yes, we will not get it in the name of Jesus. In the mighty name, we are protected and covered by the blood of Jesus. But there's something called courtesy.
Yeah.
You want to be coughing in the public. You don't be coughing anyhow.
Let's tell you a story.
Please share with us.
I went to work one day. I was having some sore throat. I said, oh no, it looks like it's leading to cough. So I said, let me wear my mask.
As a good girl.
As a good girl. I entered the elevator. It was just me and this one lady. Until you know you have cough. You know that wear your mask. She was not standing there. Oh yeah, she's there. She knocked up. I freeze. I freeze. I said, if I freeze, the germs will not touch me.
They will pass you by.
Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry to cut you off. But that's what I said. Wear your mask.
Good stories to buttress
Yes.
the point.
Wear your mask.
Not because they've vaccinate you. People will get vaccinated. The people that even created the vaccination are having it. They're in the hospital. See it? No. It's COVID era.
Yes.
Or it's season. It's still COVID is still here.
Yes. This is germinating
I've heard of
for me.
few cases. And you see the one that is annoying me. The people that have gotten the COVID, you will now come back. Yes, you've gotten COVID.
I can't get it again.
You can't get it again. You know now wear mask. I pity you. Stop it. You are coughing. Cover your mouth. Don't spread the love.
We don't need it.
We don't need that love. Keep it. Or if you cannot cover your mouth because you always forget, wear mask. And don't be sneezing anyhow. I beg you.
Yes.
Because communicable disease still there for you.
Yes.
COVID is one of them. Thank you and God bless.
Amen.
So that's just basically it today, guys. We hope you enjoyed listening to us share our pet peeves. It's all for fun, nothing personal, nothing serious. If you do that, stop it. But yeah, it's just fun and we hope you enjoyed that. So right now, we're jumping into our motivational segment for the week. And my Egbon is going first.
Take it up.
Okay. And today's word is, or this week's word is Psalm 139 verses 13 to 18. Bear with me. I couldn't just cut it halfway. Okay.
Try to keep it.
So it says, "For you formed my inward parts, you covered me in my mother's womb. I will praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are your works, and that my soul knows very well. My frame was not hidden from you when I was made in secret and skillfully wrought in the lowest part of the earth. Your eyes saw my substance, yet being unformed, and in your book they all were written, the days fashioned for me, when as yet there was none of them. How precious also are your thoughts to me, O God! How great is the sum of them! If I should count them, they would be more in number than the sand. When I awake, I am still with you." And this is just, a reminder of who we are, that God took his time to create, to form, to mold you. So you are not a mistake. You are not, if anybody might have told you that is not what God said you are. It says you are wonderfully, you are fearfully. So no matter what they have said, you are wonderfully, you are fearfully made by God. That is just my reminder to you this week. So walk in that confidence, walk in that assurance, walk in that boldness. That is all.
Thank you so much. That was deep. I felt it in my core. Thank you. No, for I really do. Thank you so much for sharing that, sis. God bless you.
And now for the song, sister.
Alrighty. So the song is called "Nothing Is Too Hard for You" by The Gratitude and my absolute favorite, Judy K. I can't believe this is her first debut on on this channel. But don't worry, many more to come, because that woman is spiritually gifted with the song of the heavens.
Yes.
But it's okay. This one is her and The Gratitude, and it's called "Nothing Is So Hard for You." And it just goes like this. The things you do, I can't explain it. Oh, nothing is too hard for you. You have to go and listen to the song to hear the words. I don't want to give you any spoiler here. Please listen to this song. I promise you would love it. Even if you don't even understand Igbo. When she comes in her part, oh Jesus, you will feel it. No, it's a wonderful song. It's just a reminder that there is nothing hard for God to do. He has said it. He said, you have to ask us, is there anything hard for me to do? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Whatever the situation may be, whatever it is you are going through, there are so many issues of life. God has finished it. He has handled it. Jesus Christ said it is finished.
Yes.
He said it on that cross. It is finished. Whatever the situation is if there is no money for school fees,
it is finished. God has provided. Jesus has handled it for me. Okay? So please, I beg you in the name of God, remember and always remember there is nothing hard for God to do. Just hold on to your faith. Believe in Him and do the work too. Faith without works is dead. So do the work too. Okay? Believe in God and do the work. Yeah.
Thank you, sis.
Of course.
Yeah.
And that's it for this week. We hope you enjoyed this video. Tell them what to do, sis. Sign up for us.
Okay, thank you. And I take the mic.
Oh, yes.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, to share, to comment,
Yes.
to subscribe.
Yes.
You know, just communicate with us on social media, on Instagram, email, wherever. Just comment. You know,
Yes.
share your pet peeves too. You know, some of the things you've noticed
That's
that you
true.
do.
Yeah.
Let's just all have laughs in the comment
Section,
you know.
yes.
But thank you again for watching. Until next time, remain blessed. We love you. Bye.